Today you will do actual calculations of how much a loan payment would be. I would like for you to type in Credit Karma Loan Calculator and click on the Simple Loan Calculator. You'll come up to a page that looks like this. Your credit ratings are very important because you can calculate here at this site what your payment will be. The higher your interest rate because of poor credit rating, the higher your payment. Your first loan will probably be on a car. So let's say that you buy a car and you have to know three things. You have to know the principal or loan amount, you have to know your interest rate, and you have to know how many years you're going to take this loan out for. Let's say that your first car is for $15,000. So in this area right here, you're going to put in, not that, 15,000. In your interest rate, you don't need to add the percent sign because it's already there. But let's say that you have fairly good credit history, so you're going to pay 3% interest. And you want to have this loan for 4 years. The last thing you do is you just hit the calculate button. And when you do that, it says a loan for $15,000 at 3% for 4 years. Your payment will be $332 per month. So here, it's actually calculated for me here too, I would think. Let's take a look here. It's also calculated, no, I don't want that. It should also be calculated in this area here. Come on. Well, let's put it in again. 15,000. Where'd we go? 15,000 for, let's see, this time you're going to have poor interest rate, so we're going to go 12%. And we're still going to go 4 years. If I hit calculate, it tells me that my monthly payment has gone from $332 to $395. If I take a look down here at the bottom, it tells me how my loan has calculated out. It says, it's not going to show me my information. So $395. So if we take $332 away from that, that is $63 more per payment. Now, two people could be driving the very same car for $15,000 and just have different interest rates, and it's going to give you a different amount owed because of your credit rating. When I look at $63 per month going to that car because I have poor interest rating, I could use that $63 for fun. I could use it for savings. I would prefer to have a good credit rating than to have a poor credit rating. So your assignment today is attached, and it is a series of questions. You will use this loan calculator on most of your answers. If it asks you how much do you save over the life of the loan, then just subtract away, the total that you pay in your poor credit rating versus your good credit rating. If you need help, please email me and we will set up a Zoom meeting. My email is rengel@western.k12.in.us. If you want to find out how much you're going to pay overall, you take, come on, the $332 per month, that's a 3, times 4 years, times 12 payments per year. When you do the math, this will tell you how much you're going to pay back. Now, at this point, I don't have the answer right off the top of my head, but you'll get a certain number here, a certain dollar amount. When you get that done, if you subtract away the $15,000 that you have borrowed, this number right here is the interest in dollar amount that you have paid. So you can see that if I come back